Hi everybody, welcome to Lori's Kitchen Creations. Today we're going to make chicken tortilla soup. It's simple yet tasty. You're going to love it. Let's get cooking. I'm going to start off with a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. Turn on medium-high heat. Add 1 onion. 1 can of green chilies, diced. Saute that for a few minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add some liquid to it. In this I've combined the chicken stock, beef stock, and water. It's 1.5 cup water and 10.5 ounces each of chicken and beef stock. So we're going to add that, turn the heat up on it a little bit. We've got a 1.5 cups of tomato juice. 2 tablespoons of Chipotle chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. And 1 chopped tomato. You can use Roma or whatever kind you would like. It doesn't matter, they get pretty soft after they get boiled. And then we're also adding chicken pieces. It's optional, great for leftover chicken. Don't you hate it when you think you're done, you turn around and find an ingredient you forgot? Also add 1 cup of corn. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for an hour and a half. And at that point it can be frozen and to continue on. I usually put it in a crock pot and then just keep it warm until everybody comes home to eat, and they could just serve up a bowl whenever they're ready to eat. Hey, you've got an hour and a half to kill until this puppy is done simmering. Why don't you hop online? I won't tell anybody. Go to loriskitchencreations.com or theblingapron.com. Place your order today and cook in style. Okay, so our base is cooking. Now we're going to cut. I have 8 corn tortillas. I'm going to cut them in strips. And I'm going to throw them in my deep fryer. You can also cook them in a pan. You wouldn't want to put all of them in at the same time. You'd want to spread them out, brown them, do them in a couple different batches. I like the fryer because I like the consistency of it. Everything gets cooked the same, and it's also pretty quickly done. Just loosen them up in there. Down into the fryer those go. Okay, so we're going to have avocado, sour cream and cheese to garnish. That like that. And these are done. Nice and crispy. Let them drain there for a second. All right, so we've finished the base. We've added it to the crock pot. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of cheese and the tortilla strips that we fried, either in the pan or deep fryer. And we're just going to mix that together, kind of break up the tortilla chips. Let them sit for just a minute. Looking delicious. This is ready. Smells so good. March Madness is coming up. This would be great for game day. Well, I know my kids are going to be happy when they walk through the door and smell this. Okay, so we have the soup. Going to garnish with some more cheese. And a nice sized dollop of sour cream on the side that you want to mix in and blend. Some avocado. And there you have it.